memberful visit just to appreciate Mr. President for giving me this position. And like I've said, I will continue to work for Mr. President to realize his Lead Hope agenda. I made it clear to everybody, I'm not here for any party. I'm here for the interests of Nigeria and for the unity of this country. I'm still a PDP member. I've never hidden my position on that. Yes, they have talked about the crisis in the state, but let me tell everybody who cares. Nobody can intimidate me. Nobody. It doesn't matter whether you go and bring talks on the road. It doesn't matter whether you want to say you're a job. If I want to do something, I will do it. Impeachment is not a military coup. Impeachment is provided under the Constitution. It's provided under the Constitution. I'm not interested in all the rumors, money, this and that. Rubbish. Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. I just left office how many months ago? I'm an FCT minister. Which money? But nobody can take away our political structure. No one. So I've listened to them. And for me, you cannot walk and people will begin to bring enemies. Those who fought you. When you are struggling for the person to be in office. Nobody does that. Even if you go and say, oh, I heard they said, oh, I gave a limit of how much you can say. All those things are, I want 25%. I mean, such a ridiculous. I'm not a political ingrate. I'm not. But don't touch the political structure of Rivers State. I will not shut my eyes. Forget about the obedient and the articles who have lost, who felt that I did not support them. And those who are revoked their CFOs there. Oh, Wike did this, Wike didn't do that, Wike did this, Wike didn't do that. I'm not interested. Because I didn't support Obi. I didn't support their presidential, their PDP's presidential candidate. So all of you just team up. Wike. And those who I revoked their CFOs, they are not happy. Wike. All those things, I am not perturbed. I will do what is right. I'm not talking about that. President is our father. He has spoken. We'll see where it takes us. But no amount of propaganda. Not amount of propaganda. Go and hire all those that refuse to give demand notice to produce, most of you, your newspapers and your media houses, who said I refuse to patronize them. Do you patronize your enemy? I will not patronize them. If they like, write as much as you want to write, I will not. My conscience is clear. My conscience is clear. Nobody can rubbish me. So I respect them. And they're my friends. We are always related. Even though we disagreed. And I thank God they have said that I end to litigation, which the chairman has said yesterday. I watched him on television. And that's the way it's supposed to go. Politics is not a do or die affair. Tomorrow may be your turn. And I like that the way they appreciated Mr. President too for this position. It is not easy. It requires a matured mind to do this. He was AMPP when he was given the Minister of FCT. I mean, that is politics. Who can contribute, who can help to move the nation forward? So I'm happy with them. And I can tell you, maybe some few days more, we'll look at how the whole thing will unfold. But if it is propaganda, forget it. On lies, forget it. In fact, the more you do that, the more you compound issues. Because I'm not a person you can think that you go to social media to say all kinds of things and then you go free. Be careful. I have the capacity to fight back. So thank you and God bless.